Very good morning, class. Myself Pallavi Anand, and I'm welcoming you all in a third standard GK. And the chapter which we're gonna discuss is the specialist, the 17th chapter of your GK book, that is specialist. In this very chapter, we will discuss about the different type of doctors, the people who are treating the other peoples, and they have the specialization among their own properties. For example, if you are having a headache, we consult to a doctor. Those who have a who is nerve specialist. If we have a teeth problem, if you have a toothache, are you going to the common doctor? No, we are not going to the common doctor. We are going to the dentist. Those who have a specialization in their field, those who have a special knowledge for the teeth, and also we consult to the dentist. If you have, if the children of our house get ill, what we do? We are not taking the children to the common doctor or to the physician or to the surgeon. We are not going. Overall, we can say a doctor, but doctor are divided into so many types. There are so many types of doctors. So the children, those who are special for the child treatment, are known as pediatricians. So in this very session, we will discuss about all these type of doctors and what are their specialization. So get started with that. Cardiologist. Pronunciate it. Cardiologist. Cardiologists are the type of doctor, those who have a special studies for heart disease. If have the heart issue or heart problem, or we are suffering from heart related any type of disease, we will consult to the cardiologist. Remember it, the doctor, those who treat the patient of heart problem is known as cardiologist. The second one is psychiatrist. P is silent here. Psychiatrist. The doctor, those who have special knowledge for the mind. The doctor who treat our mind. Those who treat our mind is known as psychiatrist. If we have the treatment, if we want a treatment regarding the mind, if you have a treatment regarding the we forget the things. We have an issue with our mind, so we will consult to the psychiatrist. Next is rheumatologist. Next one is rheumatologist. So the person is known as rheumatologist is a type of doctor, those who treat the arthritis. Arthritis is a disease in which a people is suffering from joint pain. I can have pain here, in here, all the joints pain regarding problem is known as arthritis. Okay. The joint pain is known as arthritis, and the doctor who treat the arthritis is known as rheumatologist. Okay. Next is dermatologist. Next one is dermatologist. Dermatologist is a type of doctor, those who treat the skin. If you have rashes, if you have a skin problem, if you have any type of redness in your skin, you will consult to the doctor which is special for skin disease and known as dermatologist. Okay. Next is pediatrician. The doctor who treat the children. The doctor having specialist in children treatment is known as pediatrician. Okay. Next is dentist. A person who take care of our teeth, who give advice for the better teeth is known as dentist. Next is orthopedic. Orthopedic. You can find out many orthopedic hospital nearby us. So in the orthopedic doctors treat the bones problem. The orthopedic doctor treat the bones problem. Okay. Next is neurologist. The doctor who treat the nerves. All the nerves, the brain of the human is known as neurologist. Next is nephrologist. Next one is nephrologist. If we have any problem regarding the kidney, we have different organ in our body and kidney is also very important part of our body. That kidney is acting as a filter. Okay. If we have any problem with our kidney, we will consult to nephrologist. The doctor who treat the kidney, those who are specialist in kidney, is known as nephrologist. Next is ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist means the doctor who take care or who treat the eyes problem. The doctor to whom we consult when we have any eyes problem, that is known as ophthalmologist. Okay. Some more doctors are also there, those who treat as veterinary doctors. You heard about gynecologists, those who take care of the female problem, those who to whom we consult for the baby born. These are the gynecologists. Some more doctors are also there, those who have specialists for their field. Hopefully you understand. Just what we will read once again. Cardiologist, heart. Psychiatrist, mind. Rheumatologist, arthritis. Dermatologist, skin. Pediatrician, children. Dentist, teeth. Orthopedic, bones. Neurologist, brain and nerves. Nephrologist, kidney. Ophthalmologist, eyes. These are the doctors, these are the specialists for the following disease. These doctors are very specialist in their following field. Learn them, know more about the doctors and the specialist doctors. Okay, that's it for the today's session. Hopefully you understand. Stay home, safe at your home. Bye, take care.